we shoot this video to guide you on how you'll be able to access your Moodle account in the course of your studies at KCA. This applies to both continuing students who joined KCA earlier on and those students who have joined in the trimester of September 2021. Moodle is a platform that we refer to as a learning management system, and it is the platform that you'll be using to access your learning material and to undertake your assignments, cards, term papers, and other activities that the lecturer will give you in the course of your studies. To access this platform, you need to go to your email. All of you need to have an active email account that is assigned to you by KCA University. All students, I repeat, have an active email account that have been assigned to you by KCA University. To access this email, you will go to gmail.com. That is in your browser, through your browser. You'll go open your browser, whether it is Chrome, Mozilla, Microsoft Edge, whatever you're using, and go to gmail.com, and that will bring you to this particular page. And the next thing that you need to do is to enter the email. The email takes the form 10408. This is an example at students.kca.ac.ke. This is for a student whose student number is 21/04008. It is my hope that by the time you're watching this video, you know what your student number is. So if your student number is 20/01111, then your email will be 20/01111 and so forth at students.kc.ac.ke. Remember, it is students. The next thing to do will be to enter your password. The password, your default password for your email, is your student number exactly as it's given to you. So in this case, it will be 21/04008. If you've used your email before and you reset the password, that is fine, meaning you'll be okay with this particular step of accessing your email. So once you've entered the email and your password, you'll then click on next, and that takes you to your inbox. That step should take you to your inbox. So in this case, this student has logged into the email, but there's no email yet from Moodle. So what do we do now in accessing a Moodle account? You'll open a new tab and go to www.kca.ac.ke. That is the first step. The second step will be to click on quick links at the top and then click on Moodle, which is the first item there. Alternatively, you may just go directly to the new tab and type at the address bar, type moodle.kca.ac.ke. Then click on that and it brings you to this particular Moodle platform. Okay, now once you log into your Moodle platform, the next thing that you need to do is to log in to your Moodle account. Once you have accessed the Moodle LMS, the next thing you need to do is to log in. How to log in? Naturally, since the accounts have been created for you this time beforehand, you should be able to get a link from Moodle, that is from on-campus e-learning portal, the moment you log into your email address. If you don't have that email from Moodle, then just go to Moodle and enter your username as your email address. What was the email address in this case? 21/04008 at students.kca.ke. And since you don't have a password, simply click on forgotten your username or password. If you got an email already when you logged into your email, you will have accessed both the username that you'll be using and the password, a one-time access password that you'll be required to reset. But if you haven't gotten the email address, or rather the email from Moodle, like the case for this student, what you need to do is to come here, enter your username, then just click on forgotten username or password. Then it will then prompt you to enter your username or email address. In both cases, just enter your email, which in this case is 21/04008 at students.kca.ac.ke. Now, in both cases, I've said that going forward, the username that you'll be using is your student email. Let me emphasize that. So once you've entered it here, click on search. So we get a prompt here that an email has been sent to your address at your student email, that is. So just click on continue, but then you still haven't logged in. You need to access your email first and click on that email that has been sent to you from on campus e-learning portal with the subject password reset request. Then it tells you password reset was requested for your account that at on campus e-learning portal. To confirm this request and set a new password for your account, please go to the following web address. So we'll basically click on that web address, which provides us with the provision for resetting the password. So in this case, we're going to reset the password to what we want. The student is called Edward Omondi. So I will make his password capital E Omondi 123 hash again, capital E Omondi 123 hash. You don't need to make your password exactly in that order of your names. That is just an example that I'm giving. The thing is, the directive is that your password must have at least 8 characters, at least 1 digit, at least 1 lowercase letter, at least 1 uppercase letter, and at least 1 non-alphanumeric character like hash, / /, star, underscore, whatever it is. So once you've entered that and you are sure your password meets this criteria, click on Save Changes. Ladies and gentlemen, you'll have accessed your Moodle account and you'll actually see your name here at the top. The next thing to do is to sign into this class, into the various units that you're undertaking. If you are undertaking 5 units, you need to sign up in all those 5 units. And to sign up, what you need is what we refer to as an enrollment key. This enrollment key will be provided to you by your lecturers. Each of the lecturer who is teaching will provide you with the unit code and the enrollment key that you need to use to access your unit on Moodle. Now, in the first case, let me assume that this student, the first unit that is undertaking is e-commerce in BCom. E-commerce in BCom is the unit code ICT space 2104. And lecturer for this unit, in this case, is Mr. Joshua Manyu. So to be able to sign up for this unit, which is e-commerce, whose code is ICT space 2104, the lecturer has already provided you with the enrollment key, which in this case is ICT at 2104. So the step number 1 is to search for that unit using its unit code. In this case, we are searching for ICT space 2104. So when you click on that search, you'll get a number of units because there are different options. There are part-time classes, there are daytime classes, there are weekend classes. But be keen to search for the units that has the name of your lecturer. In this case, I said the lecturer is Joshua Manyu. So you proceed to click on that unit. Then it will prompt you to enter what we call the enrollment key. And proceed to enter that enrollment key exactly as given the lecturer. So when you click on enroll me after entering the enrollment key, then here you are. You've been able to access your Moodle account and been able to sign up in the first unit. So if the second unit you're doing is say TUU 1003, again you will search for it. Remember, the assumption is you already know the name of the lecturer and the enrollment key. So once you search for the unit, click on go, select the unit that has the name of your lecturer and proceed as guided. So I'll just click home. So if you successfully enroll in that second unit, you'll then be able to see that unit appearing right below here, and do the same for all the units that you are undertaking. So with that, you'll have successfully been able to sign up in the units that you're undertaking on Moodle. So when you click on the unit, then you'll be able to see the details of your lecturer and the content of that unit as the trimester progresses. Thank you very much, students, and I hope this video is helpful in helping you settle in with regards to both your student's email and your Moodle account access and use. If you have any challenge in the course of this, please feel free to write to us at moodle_@kca.ac.ke. Drop us an email to moodle_support@kca.ac.ke. If you are physically in campus, you should be free to visit distance learning office or the ICT office in your campus for guidance in how to use Moodle going forward. Remember, if you are in main campus, you should visit the distance learning office. If you are in other campuses, visit the ICT office and you'll find an officer who is well equipped to support you in the use of Moodle. Thank you very much, and we wish you the very best in your studies.